Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku hourly analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, November the 29th, 2010. Well, a very, very bearish start to the trading day. In the first hour of trading, the market sold off very, very rapidly, and we can see from this very large red-bodied candle that the trend was down. We have a candle with a lower high and a lower low, and quite an extreme first hour of trading when the market traded from around 1190 down to around 1174, roughly 1175. In that first hour of trading, the bulls closed the market in control. They were very keen, but the market did interact with an area of support down around the 1173 region. You can see here previously the long shadows on the bottom of these candles, which is upside price rejection around this area of support. Previously here, after we got down through this zone around 1180, all of this zone acts as a very large area of support for this market, and it's no different for the current trading day. Second hour of trading opened with the market testing the area at 1173, and we had an indecisive candle. Even though the trend hadn't changed to the upside, we still had a candle with a lower high and lower low. But we had a green body, so the bears made some net bullish progress. And the bulls made some net bullish progress between the open and the close, which was significant. And we had a spinning top type indecisive candle, which was very important as the market interacted with the area around 1173. Now, interestingly, the area at 1181 acted as resistance for this market for the next few hours of trading as well. We had a couple of indecisive type candles, and then a bit of bullishness coming into the market in the fourth hour of trading with a larger green body, and the market making a higher high and a higher low, and that was the start to the uptrend and the retracement of this very large sell-off that we saw at the beginning of trading. The market then broke out above the previous resistance at 1181 and tested the area at the Kijun-sen, traded through the Tenkan-sen. And as we know, when the Kijun-sen turns flat, it tends to attract price action, and that's exactly what's happened here. So market is tested there and then traded through there in the final hour of trading with the trend still being up, with the current candle, the last candle, having a high high and a higher low. But we then all of a sudden have a smaller green body and a large shadow on top. And the small green body means that the buyers made net progress, but a significantly smaller amount than on the previous day's trading. So that could be important for the market when it opens in the next hour of trading. Now, the high of that final candle also interacted with the bottom of the cloud, and we know that the cloud will act as support or resistance, and there was good selling as the market tested that area. The market failed to close up above the midpoint level, which means that the sellers closed the market in control. The buyers failed to take control of the market in that final hour, and they lacked commitment in that final hour of trading, and that's evidenced by the long shadow on the top. In that final hour, they were fully committed as they tested that area, and then they lost commitment as they tested there, and the sellers came in and sold the market down. Now, the trend is still up in that final hour of trading, so we do need to watch the low of the current candle in that first hour of trading when we open tomorrow morning. If the market does come off, then there is potential to test this area around 1184 initially, then down to roughly 1181, and certainly down to 1173 roughly. So very good strong support down below, but also very strong resistance up above. We have the cloud, and the resistance of it at the cloud extends up to 1194, and we have a region of resistance above that from roughly 1196 up to the round number 1200. So very good resistance overhead, but very strong support down below for this market. We also had a crossover of the Tenkan-sen below the Kijun-sen, which was a bearish signal, and that's still in force, and quite a strong bearish signal because that occurred down below the cloud. So the possibility of the market selling off from here and testing these lower levels again is fairly strong. although the market is now trading up above the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen. So very important to watch the low of the last candle, which is around roughly 1187, 1186.5, for any potential lower high and lower low.